Hello friends, and it's Funky Play Brothers, and please remember to subscribe to our YouTube. And today I'm unboxing and reviewing San Diego Comic-Con exclusive, San Diego Comic-Con 2024 exclusive Super 7 Ultimates Jungle Trap Zartan. And it comes in this slip with the holes in it, and G.I. Joe thing on the back, and this Cobra on the back, and then his little mask thing on the back. And I think this is from the Revenge of Cobra episode. Here's him and all of his stuff. He has several heads, and this one is supposed to change colors in the sun. So we'll see how that works. There. And then on the snake, there's a Cobra Commander picture that he talks into, just like on the episode. And there's a lid and a thing for it. There we go. And then he has a fresh thing in here to keep it smelling fresh. He smells fresh. Now, here he is in his robe. Very suspicious in his robe. And now we take the robe off. He has a knife holder thing in his pocket. It's just like the regular Super 7 Zartan, except it comes with less and more stuff. And a robe to keep him out of the sun. There we go. Oh. And here he is. And now he's supposed to turn blue in the sunlight, just like he does in the TV show. So let's go put him in the sunlight. So I put him outside for a while, but it wasn't very sunny. So if it didn't really work, so if it does work, I'll put it at the end of this video when it gets more sunny. But so far, this is a pretty cool figure. I rated 10 out of 10, 2 thumbs ups. And hopefully we'll be able to see it change color. So friends, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Follow us on social media, Funky Play Bros and Funky Play Brothers. Support our blog at Cash App and the $.sign Funky Play Brothers. Thank you for watching. Bye.